Hello and welcome to Super Trends. With processed and sugary foods on the rise, it is tempting to just indulge in these foods now more than ever. But before you jump into the sugary paradise, think about the harmful effects it has on your gut microbiome. A balanced gut is essential for optimal digestion, absorption of nutrients, and elimination. It also communicates with the brain through millions of nerves, which helps maintain general health and well being. It is rightly said that our gut is a second brain. We've all heard that probiotics are good for our gut, but which foods actually contain these healthy bacteria? Keep watching to know more about the top 10 foods for a healthy gut. Number 10. Bananas. Bananas, being among the world's most popular fruits, are highly nutritious, contain a good amount of fiber and several antioxidants. The fiber in these fruits is very beneficial to our gut and helps improve digestive health. Bananas contain a special type of fiber called resistant starch, which feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut and helps maintain their health. They are also full of powerful antioxidants, which are linked to numerous health benefits like reduced risk of heart disease and smooth digestion. Number 9. Apples. These exceptionally healthy fruits are a repository of many vitamins, minerals, fiber, and polyphenols. Apples contain pectin, a special type of fiber that acts as a prebiotic, which essentially means that it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. It also helps maintain colon health and promotes the genesis of helpful compounds that circulate throughout your body. Not only your gut, but apples are also good for your heart, bones, and brain, which makes them an all round superfood for your complete body. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic, with its pungent smell and spicy flavor, was used for its health and medicinal properties throughout ancient history. It is packed with nutrients including manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and many active compounds. Garlic also contains prebiotic fibers which are good for your digestive health. It is naturally high in inulin, a functional fiber that acts as fuel for the good bacteria in your stomach to do their job, thus improving the overall function of your gut. According to studies, it works best when eaten raw and can be incorporated in our meals in many ways to reap its benefits. Number 7. Onions. Onions are nutrient dense, particularly high in vitamin C, B vitamins, and potassium, which supply powerful antioxidants and play key roles in regulating metabolism. Also, they are a rich source of fiber and prebiotics which are necessary for optimal gut health. This leads to various positive effects like boosting immunity, reducing inflammation, and improving the absorption of important minerals like calcium. Onions, being a staple in kitchens around the world, can be easily added to a diet and help produce delicious savory dishes as well. Number 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a wide range of healthy properties, including antimicrobial and antioxidant effects. It helps us break down and digest food by stimulating digestive juices and increasing stomach acid production. Apple cider vinegar is also known to help with bloating and helps ease inflammation. Its antiviral and antimicrobial properties reduce the growth of harmful bacteria in the stomach, which supports a healthy microbiome and immune system. Number 5. Yogurt. Yogurt is a popular dairy product naturally brimming with live gut-friendly bacteria, which are also known as probiotics. It also contains some of nearly every nutrient your body needs, from calcium, proteins, and B vitamins to phosphorus and magnesium. The varieties of yogurt which contain probiotics improve digestive health immensely and lessen the uncomfortable symptoms of bloating and diarrhea. Regular consumption of yogurt has also shown to strengthen our immune system and reduce inflammation in the body. Number 4. Kimchi. This popular Korean dish is made from fermented vegetables like cabbage, carrots, and radishes. The fermentation process of vegetables not only enhances its flavor but also produces the live and active probiotic cultures that promote gut health. It also delivers large amounts of fiber and powerful antioxidants that naturally detoxifies the body. Kimchi is also easy to incorporate in a diet. Pairing it with rice and cooked veggies makes a delicious meal which is super healthy as well. Number 3. Almonds. These popular nuts, rich in nutrients like vitamin E, protein, and fiber, have also been shown to be good for your gut bacteria. Studies have shown that regular intake of almonds is linked with improved digestive health and increased levels of important vitamins and minerals like magnesium and vitamin E. The effects of almond skin and almond intake are typically probiotic owing to its high fiber content and rich amount of polyphenols. All things considered, almonds are close to perfect as any food can get and are a blessing for your body when consumed regularly. Number 2. Miso. Miso is a traditional Japanese condiment made from fermented soya beans and is incredibly nutritious, containing a good amount of vitamins and minerals. The fermentation process also promotes the growth of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that provide a wide array of health benefits. Miso improves your digestion immensely and helps you maintain a healthy gut flora. This is important because it helps defend your body against toxins and harmful bacteria. It also reduces bloating, improves constipation, and helps with diarrhea. Number 1. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented drink made by adding kefir grains to milk. It is high in nutrients and probiotics and a rich source of calcium, proteins, and B vitamins. Kefir is 3 times more powerful than yogurt and is a potent source of probiotics than most other dairy products. This delicious drink contributes in the restoration of the floral ecosystem in our gut and can alleviate many digestive problems and treat several forms of diarrhea. Some other ways to keep your gut healthy. When it comes to gut health, along with healthy food choices, we can do some additional things to keep our gut healthy and maintain its floral diversity. Number 1. Stress management. Managing stress is an essential skill to prosper in today's fast-paced world. Studies have shown that psychological stressors can disrupt the microorganism in the intestines even if the stress is short-lived. Practicing techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and regular exercise can help reduce stress levels tremendously. Number 2. Avoiding artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners are widely used as a replacement for sugar all over the world. However, excessive consumption of these sweeteners can negatively affect the gut microbes and increases the blood sugar levels. We can use natural substitutes like inherently sweet fruits, honey, and maple syrup to satisfy our taste and keep our body healthy as well. Number 3. Adequate sleep. Getting a sufficient amount of good quality sleep can improve mood, cognitive ability, and gut health. Studies indicate that irregular sleeping habits and disturbed sleep can have negative impact on our gut flora, which increases the risk of inflammation. Establishing healthy sleeping habits with 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep every night is important for proper functioning of our body. What are some of the ways to keep your gut healthy? Have you tried any of those? Tell us about your experience in the comments below. Enjoyed this video? Hit the like, share and subscribe button. Also, don't forget to push the bell icon to get notifications about the latest videos.